Hey guys, welcome to Waterwatch. My name's Darrell, I'm a part of the team here in Dunedin. And today we're going to show you how to reboot your sensor. So what you're going to need to do is go onto your app and you're going to find the sensor that you want to reboot. You're going to give it a click and then you scroll down to connect via Bluetooth. And so you give it a click and you grab your magnet wand and you're going to swipe along here until it connects. Awesome. And then you scroll down to show advanced settings and just push this little plus sign. And you click reboot sensor right at the bottom. So give it a click. Are you sure you want to reboot the sensor? You'll click yes. And then it's just gonna reboot it. Might take a little while. Awesome, and then when it takes you back to this connect and configure page, that means that your reboot has been successful, so you can click back and everything's good to go. You've successfully rebooted your sensor.